All right, page 67, you'll see a chart. So what we're going to do is lay out the basic 4 formulas that will be in play in handling acceleration problems. So we'll start with this idea. We have our 5 factors here: initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration, displacement, time, and the formulas. So let's say that you have a problem in which you know you have initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration, you're trying to find displacement. Or it could be any combination of these. You could have displacement, acceleration, final velocity, you're trying to figure out initial velocity. But the point being, time is not in play for this particular problem. In other words, time is the odd man out. If that is so, then the formula that goes with that is 2AS equals VF squared minus VI squared. And if you look at the formula, you can see initial velocity, yep. Final velocity, yep. Displacement, yep. Acceleration, yep. But you don't see time anywhere in there. Another possibility could be that you have initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration, trying to figure out time, or any combination therein. But the point is that displacement is not in play. Displacement is your odd man out, in which case your formula will be final velocity equals acceleration times time plus initial velocity. Or you could have initial velocity, final velocity, got displacement, trying to figure out time, but acceleration itself is not figuring in which case we would go to displacement equals 1/2 VF plus VI times T. Finally, we could have a situation in which you got initial velocity, you got acceleration, you got displacement, trying to figure out time, but final velocity, VF, is the odd man out, in which case your formula is S equals VI T plus 1/2 AT squared. And what's going to drive this is identifying which factor is the odd man out. So now you notice we're not going to a 5th formula. Quite frankly, we're not going to do that because that's going to get us into a realm of mathematics that would choke a horse. We won't do that. We're going to skip that one entirely. Instead, I'm going to show you how to cheat. Right, next page.